Peace and blessings, beautiful people. Hi, I'm Kareen.
And I'm Betsy. And we'd like to welcome you to
The Pleatery! So today we are going to hit you up with a classic sandwich. A BLT.
I can't wait. You never had a BLT like the Pleatery has made it, okay? We got roasted tomatoes.
Yep.
We got mixed greens.
Hey.
We got a herb-infused mayo for y'all.
All right, it's not going to be a boring one.
No, not at all. Are they ready?
I don't think they're ready.
I don't know if they're ready.
But I think they are ready.
I think y'all are ready.
Because y'all are hungry, right?
I'm ready. So let's get to it.
Cut your tomatoes in half and squeeze out the seeds. Line a sheet tray with parchment paper. Lay your tomatoes out on the tray and drizzle with olive oil, then sprinkle with some salt and pepper. Spread them out evenly face up, then put them in the oven and bake for 15 minutes at 450 degrees. Now it's time to blanch your herbs in a pot of boiling water for 30 seconds. Now quickly remove the herbs and shock it in a bowl of ice water. Now squeeze out as much water as you can in a towel. Add your parsley and basil into a high-powered blender. Blend on high speed, then slowly start adding your canola oil. To make your herb mayo, add your mayonnaise to a bowl and pour in your herb oil and mix thoroughly. Add salt, pepper, and some chives to taste.
Now it's time to assemble.
Hey, look at this. This is the Pleatery BLT. Look how luscious that looks. Look how sexy these tomatoes are.
Sexy tomatoes. Girl, if you guys try this at home, make sure to tag us at Instagram and hashtag it the Pleatery CIY so you could be featured on our Instagram page with your delicious creation, okay? And then don't forget to comment down below and let us know how it went, what you tried, and what you made different.
Hey, and do not limit yourself to a BLT. You can do this amazing mayonnaise, the same roasted tomatoes, the same beautiful medley of veggies, of lettuce, with anything. Be it turkey bacon, be it turkey, be it roast beef, whatever you want. Sky's the limit.
Sky's the limit.
Also, for our vegan folks out there, do the same thing. Jazz up that veganese with this herb oil, okay? Use some sprouts, use some tempeh, use some tofu, veggies, whatever you want. There you go.
It'll be the lunch of all lunches. It'll be the dinners of all dinners. Whatever you want to use it for, go out there and try it. Don't forget, CIY, the Pleatery CIY. That means cook it yourself. So get out there and cook it yourself, y'all. Hey. Thank you all for joining us.
And remember to always eat good
and stay flexing.
If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can be notified about our future posts.